Welcome, I'm David Geiger. Farmers continue to be pessimistic about farming conditions. For the second month in a row, the Ag Economy Barometer declined sharply, going to 137 points, 21 points below May. Producers in June say they are less optimistic about current conditions and future expectations. Since peaking in April, perceptions of farm performance has fallen sharply, with expectations of input costs to rise faster this next year than the last decade. There's a bit of a difference between private and public yield and production forecasts in the U.S. According to Barchart, corn production is at 14.6 billion bushels with a yield of 176.5 bushels an acre, compared to the USDA's projection of 15 billion bushels and 179.5 bushel yield. For soybeans, Barchart expects 4.3 billion bushels with 50 bushels per acre. USDA expects more, 4.4 billion bushels and 50.8 bushels per acre. The forecast offers user insight to help their crop marketing and business decisions ahead of when traditional government reports are released. Farmers with crop insurance now have more cover crop uses. The policy change lets producers with insurance hay, graze, or chop cover crops for silage or hay at any time and still get 100% of the Prevent Plant payment. Previously, that could only happen after November 1st. The USDA says they are dedicated to responding to the need of producers, and the flexibility is good for agriculture. Iowa is getting some new dollars to help fund animal disease research. The National Institute of Food and Agriculture on Wednesday announced a $14 million investment in research to protect agricultural animals from disease. Of that, $500,000 will go to Iowa State University in an effort to protect cattle against stress and respiratory diseases. The USDA says the dollars overall go to understand, diagnose, control, and prevent diseases in agricultural animals. Nearing the end of the week, our market analyst Jamie Kawaki has the details.
So far this week, kind of a mixed bag, trending on lower. Lots of volatility in the markets. Came in after a long weekend, limit down, and still trying to find stability off of that. Pretty much all the weakness coming off of the forecast starting today, kind of through Saturday time period for northern Iowa, southern Minnesota. See how that pans out. Early talk right now. What has moved through has been light and very, very scattered again, but the market's still factoring in some more yet on the way. But technically, it looks like we may have hit wave 5. We've also got some fundamentals that are really bearish, really bullish down in South America. Over to the cattle market, seasonally very, very weak right now. Look for boxes to trend on lower as well. We did have 124 cash, even some very light trade at 125 yesterday. But futures, I look for them to trend on lower the next 2 weeks, kind of bottom out there the early part of August. Over the hogs, mixed bag here. A little bit choppy here today. Looking the market to really go more sideways right now, until we get some more of a little bit of a stability in the cash and the cutouts here short term.
And that's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.